May 18th, we're in Sienna on a tour, and today we're trying their margarita pizza for breakfast, essentially. Let's see how it is. It's plain and simple. The biggest difference I find in North American pizza, which is here, is that it's really not as heavy. Same with the pasta, it's really much less heavy. The flavors are better, but they're not significantly better, but like it's just simple and I just don't feel like crap afterwards. This is okay. Nothing special. 6-6, but I feel not heavy and gross afterwards though. 6-6 for this one.